Okay, so here there is a very simple example about how to build a state machine to control a drone robot here, and by using a graphical tool. So here, for example, I'm going to add a very simple state that produces a sleep, so it waits, and then I'm going to add a state that includes the takeoff of the robot, of the drone. So we have both the states here. Now I'm going to connect the sleeping state to the takeoff state. So here I'm going to connection and say when the sleeping has been done, just switch to the takeoff. The connection is performed. I'm going to select this state as the start state. And now I'm just going to run the state machine. And it's sleeping here for 3 seconds, and it jumps here and the robot takes off. That's it. Would you like to know more? Would you like to know how to build complex state machines by using graphical interface? Then you have to come to the live class of today, this afternoon at 6 CET, live on YouTube on the channel of The Construct. See you there.